Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like be one of my friend asking me to make a video like the Stickman about so how to be 1 million coins earn now. So this is the everything so easily now to be have problem. Just I request to you be watching be completely video and don't skip now because and when I asking to you don't to skip because this is the more important for you because you will be watching be completely video and then you will be understand how to be collect 1 million coins 10 million coins to be easily because everything easily now only I asking you be carefully complete watch your video then you will be understand and be easily complete to be 10 million coins collect now of this thick man for this game. So I hope you will be enjoy this video and please request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comments me you will be understand or not because today of making video English. So I hope you will be completely understand now and then you will be easily receiving your reward. Guys, I'm already be download this game and I will be teach you how to be complete to be this game easily now. Just to be trying now this and this and this. Okay. I will be completely teach you how to be because this is the everything easily now and next options I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game and how to be start now. This is the more important options to be trying now on this stage. X5 airs more important for you because sometimes many of people not to be understand so you will be choosing on this X5 X4. This is the watching one of the ads and you will be receiving your reward to be 4 times. So guys and here to be also to using your brain because sometimes many of people not to be using your brain and like be lost of this many of coins and games because just to be try to be because if you have math so more good so you will be easily understand how to compete to be this game now because sometimes many of people not to be understand now and but I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game and more important for you watching every time x5 x3 x4 ads. If you're watching this ad so you this is the more for you benefit like be choosing on 5 options checking on me of this my quiz and because this is the more important for you x4 x3 this is the ad because here be options x3 equal to be 10. Sorry, oh my god. Okay, again to be starting now checking on this game and this checking now and also to be option show no like the x5 and click on x5x. Okay, checking on of this my quiz because I already told to you because x5 the more options for you so important and the good. Okay, and get to attack now. Okay, this is so good. Oh nice. Okay guys, There be also to be options available now. If you don't want to be complete to be this level, so because this is the everything to be easily, if you don't want to be this level, so you will be watching one of the ads and skip now these ads, and then you will be starting next level. But this is for you not good. Okay, try to be best. Okay, using me this also to be options. Okay. Oh my god, 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 oh. Also to be option show no. Checking my off the like be going. So this is the game everything more easy now. Only using your brain. How to be using your brain and to be complete to be easily your game this. Starting now on attack. Okay, that's good. Yes. Okay, I will be try to do my best. Uh, no, this is the best. Because when you will be step by step you will be completed to be this game, and then you will be receiving more than easily to be more rewards. Because sometimes many of people not to be understand, but I will be explain you this time. You checking now if I watching the X5 ads, checking now you see, and I will be explain you how to be complete to be this game meter there, because just I try to be my best and will be explain to you how to you will be easily complete to be this game meter depth. Okay, to be starting now. uh, okay, that's this is the good options, checking a perfect. Just I try to be teach you how to be complete to be this game. uh, okay. So this is me only explain to you how to be complete to be 10 million this coins. So you checking now on easily to be earn you 10 million coins to be first. Just I'm explain to you, and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And before X5 X3 and the watch the video, because it is the more important for you, and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And before you watching this video, thank you so much for you watching my video.